don't think much about the doors in our homes, but we enter and exit through them all day, every day. The U.S. alone manufactures 56.5 million interior doors every year. An average American home has about 15, from bedroom to bathroom doors and closets. Add 3 to that to cover the outside, front, rear, and patio doors.
Doors are a great opportunity to put your own personality and type of design into your home. You often take your own doors for granted, but it's something you notice when you go into somebody else's house.
Whether they're mass-producing or crafting one-of-a-kinds, door manufacturers of all sizes have one thing in common. They make them by hand. Rogue Valley Door produces both mass market and custom doors. A unique door comes to life when a client creates a design through the use of their CAD program. 25 to 30 board feet of wood go into the average residential door. Most of that is made up of lower quality wood.
It may have knots in it, it may have stain or color defect or mineral streaks, which would be similar to knots.
These less than perfect pieces get finger jointed into long boards.
We put glue in those and they're pressed together. We can make pretty much any kind of length we want for our operation by doing that.
These boards are known as core, and they make up the interior of a door. The outer layers, front, back, and sides, are what people see when they approach. So that part, the veneer, should be the best of the best. Knotty pine or Douglas fir becomes core, while specialty woods like oak and maple provide veneer. Before slicing strips of veneer, the top quality wood has to get hot and wet.
It is heated to approximately 170 degrees internal temperature to make it easier to slice. Dry wood or cold wood does not slice as readily as heated wood.
Rogue Valley slices veneer anywhere from 1/10 to 1/16 of an inch thick. Once they glue strips of veneer onto core blanks, workers prep the parts for final assembly by cutting raised edges or profiles into them.
The profile is a detail that's machined into the components, and you have a male and a female component that fits together or mates together as you build a door, and that's what holds the door together as well as hold all the panels in place.
If a door will have panels, employees carve designs into them, from simple edging to complex patterns. At the final stage, workers hand assemble the doors using mallets. They put the elements together like a ladder, with one side or stile first. Next come the crosswise parts, or rails, and the panels. Finally, they hammer the second stile into place.
There really is no machine capable of the type of flexibility necessary to assemble all the different types of doors and parts that go into doors, one right after another.
If the door is also a window, then bars become a part of the process. Employees caulk glass panels into place between the bars. Most doors are prepped to accept knobs and hinges. Finally, they're labeled and barcoded for delivery. Rogue Valley ships some doors solo and some pre-hung in frames. The whole process takes 3 to 4 weeks. And there's no waste along the way. Rogue Valley's sawdust and wood chips get recycled into particle board, which becomes even more doors.
We may not manufacture the largest, the biggest, or the strongest door, but the sheer volume of the different doors that we make makes us unique.